Hello everybody, we are back with another video for you, but this time it's very unique topic. It's about the superb thriller drama which was cancelled. If you are using Netflix, then you may heard of it. Yes, you were right if your guess was Messiah. This series has all elements of thrill, action and conspiracy. But why it is still a failure? Why Netflix was forced to give an explanation due to it?
He's come out of nowhere and we don't know who he is.
It's the nature of my work.
And what is that work?
God's work.
He could be creating an army. Or he could be leading them to their death.
This is bigger than what you can imagine.
This amazing drama series is one of its kind, but unfortunately, its second series was cancelled. In this video, we are going to discuss reasons behind its cancellation. We will also tell you why it caused so much trouble for Netflix. So stay tuned till the end of the video. If you still haven't watched it, then there are spoilers ahead. If you haven't watched this drama, then you are not familiar with it. And obviously, you are not aware of factors behind its cancellation. So let's discuss its story first. His story revolves around the mysterious man appeared in Middle East. Now thanks to his powers, he has some serious fan following. His international fame attracted many people and one of them is a CIA officer. And this whole series is about the investigation of this man. But of course, it's not all about investigation. There are some moments of thrill and suspense for audience. It may appear as harmless science fiction story, but it created a controversy upon its release. This controversy was first factor and perhaps most important one. The character of Messiah is based on Antichrist, which is a serious issue among Muslims and Christians. Netflix faced backlash from its Muslim viewers who criticized for showing this type of content. Allegations of anti-Islamic sentiments were filmed in implicit way which sparked controversy. Netflix received many requests to remove it because of nature of the subject matter. Although network claimed that it was a work of fiction, but many Muslim countries like Jordan banned this series.
What are you doing in Syria?
Delivering a message.
A message from whom?
My father.
And who is your father?
It was unusual for Netflix to give a statement like this because in past there were cases like that, but network never bothered to clarify the situation. Now you may have some idea about the criticism they received. If you watch it for the first time, you will surely get a creepy feeling. This sensitive topic was not appreciated by majority of people who were using Netflix. But this was not the only reason behind its recession. Other major reason was recent pandemic. Like many other things, this series was also affected by the outbreak. It was filmed in many countries like Jordan and Mexico, and after lockdown, it was impossible to shoot for the second season. For the coming season of this series, many locations in different countries were required. When the international borders closed, it was not suitable for any further development of it. In a way, this pandemic is somehow also responsible for its cancellation. Another important reason was the failure of series. No doubt it is popular series, but it was complete failure in financial terms. Many experts of Hollywood considered it as main reason of its cancellation. Statistical data shows that it was not successful to reach those heights which were expected. The company didn't feel confident to invest more money in this controversial series, so they simply put it behind and cancel it.
Who do you think he is?
You didn't see what I saw.
And if I did, would I be calling him the second coming?
But if we talk about the quality of content, it seems not that bad. I mean, cast of this drama has some big names like Michelle Monaghan, John Ortiz and Maddie Debbie. In terms of acting and thriller, it doesn't disappoint its viewers. Critics have also given mixed reviews about it, so you can say it is not as bad as it seems. But whether it is bad like or not, it was a flop. Those three factors were behind its recession and frankly, they are enough to kill any big project like this. If any series who create a worldwide controversy affected by pandemic and a failure in terms of finance, hardly continues. And do remember, at the end of the day, it's all business and nothing more. So we hope you find some answers at the end. The purpose behind this detailed analysis was to give some answers. Now you may have some idea behind the cancellation of Messiah. If you are a fan of this series, then don't be disappointed. People are demanding second season and you may see it in future. Don't lose hope, it's all we got in the end. If you want to ask other questions and videos like this, tell us in comments. For latest updates, do subscribe and press the bell icon for our channel. Thank you very much. Till then, bye.